lot of sugar. The cream on top though. Oh my God. Oh.
Can you do it again?
I can't. Yeah, Antigua. What's up everyone? I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in Antigua, Guatemala. I'm here with my boy Pablo from A La Carta Tours, and today we're going to be exploring all the must-sees in the center, the historical center of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. There's 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Guatemala. This is the only town. The other 2 are historical Mayan sites. And yeah, what are we going to do? Where are we going first?
So now we're going to turn in the church from La Merced. We're going to learn about that kind of architecture. In Antigua we have many, but something is very beautiful here is the Barroco structure. And then we are going to cross all Antigua. We're going to cross the Arch Street, the Monumental Arch we're going to see today, and then the main square, the cathedral. That was the first cathedral in Guatemala, in all Central America as well.
Oh wow.
So, and then
street food?
Street food, of course.
Okay, they say this is probably the best street food in all of Guatemala. I'm super excited because the arch here, the most beautiful arch, and it's the most photographed spot in the country. A really important fact about Antigua is that there was 33 churches / convents, so a mix between 33 churches and convents. And the reason there was 33 is because that's how old Jesus Christ was when he died. So 33 years of age, there's 33. And right here we have La Carmen Convent, and all of these churches and convents are ruins now. Really, really interesting. This place is gorgeous, as you can see, over 400 years old, this one.
So now, first of all, we need a coffee. We need to wake up. So we are gonna looking for the best coffee from Antigua. It's in La Parada. It's in front to the church from La Merced. And then we are gonna walk in all Antigua, my friends.
Because we just finished lunch, we're coming here to Café La Parada. And Antigua is famous for their coffee. They produce a lot of coffee here. Hola. Quiero un café fuerte.
Claro.
Fuertísimo.
Negro.
Doble espresso. We came here to the coffee shop La Parada. My friend here was telling me that this is the best place to have coffee in Antigua. It's in front of La Merced Church, and this is Pache Rojo coffee. Double espresso, no sugar. Damn, it's strong. Está rico.
First of all, it's one of my favorite churches from Antigua. The name is La Merced. So this is the Mercedarian order that is coming from Aragon, from Spain, in 1548.
A really interesting fact about La Merced Church is that this is a great example of the unification of the Mayan religion with Christianity. You know, usually in Christianity you have bread and wine like outside on the facade, right? Here they don't. Here they have corn and cacao. This is one of my favorite facades I've seen in Guatemala. It's gorgeous. I love the yellow. Okay, so we've arrived to the Arch Street, and behind us we have the Arch of Santa Catalina. This is the icon of Antigua. It's incredible.
So it's very simple. That arch was built because in this convent, this Santa Catalina convent, was a lot of nuns, and 1500 was the only of the power of teach. So the government at that time built this arch, and that way that nuns crossed all of this arch to the other house on the corner that we call the cloister.
So basically, yeah, so it was built as a bridge so that the nuns can cross the street without having to go actually on the street. It's incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, it's gorgeous.
It's very cool. Actually, it's not functional, but sometimes when the people come and clean, they must cross.
They
inside.
must cross, yeah. Wow. Now we're gonna continue walking on the Arch Street, and we're going to the Cathedral of Antigua, and this is the oldest cathedral in Guatemala. Once we get there, we'll tell you more about it. This is one of the prettiest places in Guatemala. I mean, it's gorgeous. Cobblestone streets, colorful houses. but a lot of tourism here. Only 25,000 people live here and 8,000 are expats. So like every single Spanish city, they have a Plaza Mayor. This is the center of the town. This one is actually like a park. It's packed, everybody's here. Oh, it's super hot walking on the cobblestone streets, but here, I mean, it's super cool, really refreshing. And then right in front, right there, we have the cathedral.
The first Metropolitan Cathedral that was built in 1545 and that was finished in 1680. And the other side we got the City Hall, and behind you we have the first National Palace, so the General Capitan Palace, and in the middle of the city is that beautiful fountain, is the Merced Fountain.
So what we're gonna do now is we're going into the ruins of the cathedral. Basically, 85% of this cathedral is in ruins because there was an earthquake in the year 1773. This has to be one of the most beautiful places in Antigua. I mean, this is just so incredible. Wow. I'm so impressed by this. It's amazing how something like an earthquake can destroy a building but just leave something so beautiful. Right outside of the ruins we have the first university in Guatemala and in Central America. What's the name of it?
Universidad de San Carlos de Guatemala. That was from 1675.
Factory rum, the best factory rum in Guatemala, man.
Actually, it's not a factory. No, it's the house of rum from Zacapa Centenario.
Zacapa is the best rum
Of the world.
of the world, yes.
Yeah. The best one.
I had no idea the best rum in the world was here in Guatemala. But we're going to the House of Rum, and there we're gonna try some $500 rum. Here at the House of Rum, we're gonna try the Zacapa 23. So this rum has won 5 years in a row the best rum in the world. They also have Zacapa Royale, and that's actually the best one, $300 bottle right there, and that's been aged for 30 years. So basically the way it works is that they age the rum in many barrels, and then some age for 6 years, some age up to 30 years. This one has a mix between 6 and 23 years. So they give it the name like the oldest barrel that the oldest age of the barrel. So 23 years because the oldest barrel was aged up to 23 years. And they say it's amazing. Let's try it. Oh, it's super smooth. Oh wow. You don't need ice. You don't need to mix this. It's a perfect drink. So it's 290 quetzales for the bottle. Okay, it costs 60 quetzales for one, which is, it's como $10, like 10 bucks to try one. Pretty good. I'm in love with this. It's so good. Cheers. Yeah, basically this is like a little cellar bar. There's some barrels here. Rum de Zacapa. Best rum in the world. Woo! And this is Casa Botran. Casa Botran, another great Guatemalan rum. Antigua has been surprising me. Okay, so I'm gonna try now Edición Negro, so black edition. So 6 to 24 years in barrels, 43% alcohol. So this is a special edition rum made for Italy because Italy is their #1 buyer. So it's very similar to whiskey. So what they do, it's very special with this rum, is that the last year in a barrel, they put it into burnt barrels. So it gives it like a smoky taste. It really tastes like a whiskey. Oh, it's fantastic. Oh, woohoo!
Black edition, and it's for Italy. It's delicious. Me quedo a vivir aquí.
Okay, so our last rum we're gonna try is called Colonial. So it's a special rum made for Antigua. It's an artisanal rum. Let's try it. Vanilla. Delicioso. No, muy rico. Gracias, vamos.
Thank you.
Comer. Zacapa rum, so good. Woo! Look at that. Cobblestone streets, fun times. We're here next to the public laundry, which is La Tanque de Unión, and we're gonna have a chuchito. Chuchito is basically a tamal, but the difference here is that tamales, they put banana leaf. This one is made with corn leaf. Inside is stuffed. She has it with chicken, but you can also get it with beef or with pork. And they have a little red sauce. They also put some avocados, some guacamole, cabbage. They also put frijoles. Oh man, this is amazing. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm starving.
I'm starving too. All right, so I got my chuchito right here. I'm basically on the sidewalk here. Got my little stool. I'm gonna eat it right here. Oh, this looks so good. Cabbage, cheese, guacamole. Ooh, so soft. Inside we got some chicken. Oh yeah. Oh, I love the spice. I feel like it's a little softer, like almost like a polenta. I love the mix with the cabbage and the spices though. This is so fire. I personally love tamales, so chuchito is like up my alley. I can eat this every day for breakfast. ¡Está loca! ¡Qué bueno! So avocados is a big thing here in Antigua. They have a lot of avocados. It's the perfect appetizer. Next, this is atol de lote. This is like a corn drink. It looks a little thick. Me gusta, me gusta.
Es espresso.
No como tú. Stays like in love with me here.
Es el lugar, ¿verdad? Es el lugar. Aquí es
It's creamy. It feels like a soup. Oh, it's good though.
Es el parque de los enamorados.
I think this would be really good in a winter destination. Unfortunately, here it doesn't really get too cold. It gets cold in the mornings, but not during the day. It's actually getting a little cold now, so it's perfect.
El postre. This is rellenito. The rellenito is about plantains, but it's very sweet, and inside they have black beans, sweet black beans. So actually you can see the plantain there. It's fried plantains and a little bit of sugar with cream, and it's amazing. It's something local, something very good.
Here we have a rellenito. This is a fried sweet plantain. They put cream on top, they put sugar. Dude, this looks unreal. Oh yeah. So they put sweet black beans inside. It is very sweet, like extremely sweet. A very fatty, sweet, but delicious, juicy, creamy. A lot of sugar. With cream on top though. Oh my God, look at that. Oh.
Can you eat again?
I can't.
Do you know the choco rolls?
Yeah.
Rolls? Kind of like in Maya touch, Maya choco rolls.
So the next dish we're gonna try is una tostada de aguacate con ensalada de repollo. So basically, it's a fried tortilla with guacamole. Then they got cabbage, so cabbage salad, put some spices, they put a little bit of cheese inside. Oh, this looks so good. We have a crazy ass lady over here that loves me. But I know you love me. It's very crunchy. I love how they put a lot of spice in it actually. Wow. The cabbage, this is like a vegetarian almost tostada. It's very good, it's filling. I like it. This is really filling. Alright guys, I'm done. Bueno, te doy un abrazo y un beso. Gracias, gracias. Alright guys, we're done here in Antigua. Let's go back to Guatemala City. It's time to get to the hotel and pass out. Listo. The drive from Antigua to Guatemala City took about an hour. Actually, it was like 45 minutes because there was no traffic at this time. It is right now 8 p.m. Pero mañana.
Ok, perfecto.
Hola, ¿cómo le va?
¿Todo bien, tú?
Todo bien, a la orden.
A dormir.
No, muy temprano.
No. Good night, good night.
Buenas noches. Buenas noches, ya no pienso.
Ni yo. Let's go upstairs. I need to order my pillow. That's something really cool about this place, is that the Real Intercontinental Guatemala, they have a pillow menu. Let's go upstairs and choose one. You know, I've never had a pillow menu before. And they got a Tempur-Pedic pillow, anti-snore pillow, the firm pillow, Egyptian pillow, soft pillow, gel pillow. I think I'm going with 2 Tempur-Pedic pillows. I love Tempur-Pedic pillows. Let's order one. Perfecto, gracias, muy amable. Therapeutic pillows, so I've ordered 2 therapeutic pillows. Sorry guys, I'm very tired right now, but we had an amazing day today. Antigua is so incredible. UNESCO World Heritage City, beautiful. I mean, it really feels like you're in a colonial town from like 300 years ago. Spanish colonial town, cobblestone streets, beautiful colors all over the place. A lot of convent ruins and church ruins. And yeah, I mean, it's been awesome. I really love Guatemala. It's like a place you have to come in Central America. I highly recommend it. And yeah, so I hope you love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow, we're headed to Chichicastenango. See you in the morning. Peace.